Hello students, let us try to understand the question number 22, okay, from the Narayana Need book. For the Kc for the equilibrium for this particular reaction is given student 6.4 into 10 power minus 7. Predict whether the reaction will take place to the left or to the right to reach equilibrium or remains at equilibrium. Here for that student it is given for this equation, they have given concentration of CO2, CO, and O2, and they are having the different concentration, student, and they are asking that is predict whether the reaction will go left side or to the right side. Okay, so if you are writing Kc, they have given. If you are writing Qc, so how can write you, student? CO, this will power 2, and that is O2, and divided by what, student? CO2 power 2. Okay, this is what is something known as equilibrium constant, dear student. This is up equilibrium quotient. Of this, with the help of QC, Kc is already there, student. Value they have given for Kc. How much Kc value is there, student? 6.4 into 10 power minus 7. So you check out, student. If C, student, if they are saying, sir, QC and Kc relation is there, student. QC and Kc. So three relations are there, student. QC and Kc. So if it is equal to, that is equilibrium, student. This is the equilibrium. Okay, student. And when you talk about Kc is more than Qc, that is, this is the forward reaction. This is, student, forward. And Qc is more than Kc, that is a backward reaction. So Kc is there, student. Now Qc we have to calculate. So for A, I am solving for the A. We are writing that is Qc. Already we wrote, student, the Qc is equal to Co power 2 and O2 and divided by CO2 power 2. So dear student, you put out the value, how much CO value is there in the question. CO value is there here in the A number 3.6, 2.4 and 5.3. So here is it is that is 3.6 into 10 power 4. This is negative sign, and next one is there, this will be the square, and next one is 2.4 into 10 power minus 3. This is in another bracket, and here is there CO2 square, that is 5.3 into 10 power minus 2, and that will be the square, right? If you solving out, student, it is coming 1.11 into 10 power minus 7. So 10 power minus 7 is here, and 10 power minus 7 is here. So 6.4 is more than the 1.1, you know. So if you see, student, QC and KC, so QC we are getting 1.11 and KC is there 6.4. 6.4, it means it is greater, it is greater. So reaction will go forward direction. So reaction will go which direction? Will go in forward direction. Will go in forward direction. Reaction will go in forward direction, right, student? Reaction will go in forward direction. So that we have to understand, forward direction means reaction, that is reaction will takes place, that is reaction will takes place. What, student? Reaction will takes place to the right, to the right. Okay, so this is our answers. Now let us have a look over the second B number, student. So for B number, the concentration they have given in the different ways, student. CO2 is 1.78, 2.1, 5.7, and reaction is the same, student. So if you talk about the B number, so QC is equal to, we can write that is CO square and O2 and divided by CO2 square. So you put out the value, CO value they have given 2.1 into 10 power minus 2, and this will be the power 2, and 5.7 into 10 power minus 5, that is in the same, and CO2 is 1.78 into 10 power minus 1, and this will be the square value. So if you solving, it is coming 7.93 multiplied by 10 power minus 7. So here power is same, student, but if you see QC is coming more than the KC, because KC value is here how much? KC value is there 6.4 into 10 power minus 7. So if you are saying QC and KC, so 6.4 into 10 power minus 7, and here is 7.93. So KC is less. So KC is less. KC is less than what is to less than QC. So the reaction will be in backward direction. So the reaction is backward direction. Reaction is backward direction. So reaction is backward direction. What is meaning of this, student? Backward direction, that is left side, student, that is left side. Okay, now let us have a look over the C number option, student. So if you talk about C number, there is also different concentration are there. CO2 1.33, 2.4, 1.18. Okay, so for the third QC, if you are writing, it is coming, that is CO power 2, same equation, student, O2, okay, and CO2 is square, right, student? So if you talk about the CO, this is the 2.4 into 10 power minus 2 power, no 2, and in another bracket 1.18 into 10 power minus 5, this is like that, and divided by it is coming 1.03 into 10 power minus 1, and this will be the square. Okay, so how much value is coming, student? It is coming 6.4 into 10 power minus 7. And now this is the equal QC equal to KC. QC is equal to KC. If you see, student, this is, so QC value how much is there, student? 6.4 into 10 power minus 7, and KC is also their same value, 6.4 into 10 power minus 7. So both are equal. This is the condition, is QC is equal to KC. That means what, student? This is the equilibrium. This is what, student? This is the equilibrium condition, right, student? Equilibrium condition. So thank you so much for watching, dear students. Now we will solve some more problem, but for the application of equilibrium constant, this is the equation which we have to understand. I hope it will be helpful, students.